Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, market is open on Monday, and after the market opening, we can see that DXY is trying to continue the uptrend. On Friday, after this massive move, DXY closed at 103 and DXY today made a high of 103.20 and trying to go higher. But if we observe the present volatility of the market, then there is a high chance the market will face some strong resistance around 103.50 because volatility plays a big role in this ongoing volatility. I'm recording this video in the Asian session. So if the same volatility remains in the market, then yes, DXY will face some trouble to cross this level. During US session, if DXY gets crazy again, then obviously it will break it. But as of now, it seems that DXY will face some trouble to cross 103.50. Overall, the DXY is bullish right now. And if you look at the chart of GBPUSD, then yes, there was some little bit of a gap down opening. Forex traders are not much familiar with gap up and gap down openings because market is open 24 hours. Stock traders are very much familiar with gap up and gap downs because this is very common for us. And stock traders also know it very well that market does not like gaps, and GBPUSD has already filled the gap right now. If you have already taken a buy position, you can be on the trade, but those who have not taken any position and looking for fresh entry, I'll say that this is too early right now to judge the market. At least wait till the European session or wait for the market to come down to the levels that we understand properly. See, we are retail traders. We do not decide the direction of the market. It is not possible for us to predict the market in each and every level. For survival purpose, yes, I'm not talking about making money also. So if for survival purpose, it's safer to trade on the levels that we retail traders only understand. Okay, so this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Okay, so first of all, if market tries to recover, then market will face the first resistance around 1.2118. The first level here, 1.2118, is a minor resistance that we have derived with the help of Fibonacci retracement. Okay, but keep in mind this is a Fibonacci 0.236, not a very strong one, very weak. So if market reverses, if you see that GBPUSD is going up but the candles does not have much strength, then only you can expect the market to reverse. If you are in a tight position right now, not can't afford to take any risk, lose any money, then try to avoid levels like 1.2118 because all the charts have got some good levels, some weaker levels. Okay, so this is a very weak level. If market reverses, then only take a sell position. In case market breaks it, okay, then just avoid it. Wait for the market to hit the next resistance of 1.2190 to 1.2170. This is a resistance zone because of the presence of the 200 moving average as well as Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So after the massive selling on Friday after an FP, there's a good chance that market may face some selling again. If market faces, you can consider taking a sell position around 1.2190 to 1.2170. This is a resistance zone. Again, I'm repeating, I'm recording this video in the Asian session. Things will change during US session mostly, so be careful. Okay, observe the volatility, then only take a decision. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, market is showing shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, then only go ahead with the sell position. Okay, on the other hand, especially by European session, if market fails to go higher and starts falling, If market fails to go higher and starts falling, you can consider taking a sell position below 1.2028 as well. But keep in mind, market has already witnessed heavy selling on Friday. Okay, so for additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY. If you see that DXY is bullish, then only go for a sell position, but follow proper risk management, because market has already witnessed heavy sell. So market is already in oversold zone. Be careful. Okay, and good supports on the chart of GBPUSD is around 1.1944 and 1.1850 to 40. In case market shows a good fall also, hopefully market will be able to get some support around 1.1944. And in case DXY gets crazy, okay, I don't think so DXY will be very crazy that GBPUSD will be breaking these levels, because today we do not have any news also. Okay, so still we have got two good levels: 1.1944, 1.1850 to 40. 1.185040 is the strongest level or strongest support on the chart of GBPUSD right now. Okay, this is the strongest support, 1.185040. 1.1944 is the first support if market shows a big drop. Similarly, if market goes up, then we have resistance around 1.219070. Not very strong, but yes, considering the ongoing selling pressure, this level looks like a strong resistance right now. Okay, before that, we also have some resistance around 1.2118. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now. Those who are wondering about the Forex sentiment meter, then here is the Forex sentiment meter, and as you can see that 68% retail traders have taken long position and only 31% retail traders have taken short position. So the average long price, means average level where they have taken buy position, is 1.2285, and right now market is standing at 1.2058. So it's around 200 pips loss. Okay, so my dear friends, as we all know, usually we get to see market moving against the sentiment meter. So please be careful, follow proper risk management. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow. And if anything comes up, then I'll try to come during the US session. Okay, I do have a Hindi channel. Okay, you can check out the link in the description. Bye bye.